Oh, my little duckies. Tell you what, haven't been home for a while. Bloody good to be home. Doc. Minnie. The baby! Not long now. Mission HQ. And she's looking like a bloody brothel. We got a bit going on. Got this reel on. It's like a 200 size, fresh 50-pound braid for what I'll be using tomorrow morning. Oh, and mate, I'm bloody excited. Oh, a bit of natural lighting. Yeah, the boys. So what's been bloody going on? How you been? I've been pretty damn good, you know. Went on a holiday, been working. Like a lot of you know, I'm having a child soon, so I'm bloody stoked. That's going to be wicked. Little princess! There you go. So what are we doing tomorrow? Oh, before we jump into tomorrow, if you haven't and you like the videos, and I really hope you're enjoying the content, make sure you become a subscriber. Let's get this ball rolling, and let's peel it back. Yo! Alright, so what's better than a real bird to use as bait is an unreal handcrafted lure, Australian. Have a go at this thing. What? That, my mates, is a big old budgie. Oh, Jesus. Straight up the boxings. Like, I thought it was just going to be like a lure, like coming like in a bit of, I don't know. Now, what's cool about this is it's got interchangeable bibs. Man, this thing is unreal. Along with that, I've got this big old lizard as well. We'll be throwing that. His name's Matt. He does BARAMBAH lures. Read him and weep. Facebook, details in the description. Man, I'm excited to use this stuff. Check these out too. Does jig heads, like for barra and whatnot. Mental heavy gauge hooks on them. Got your plastic keepers on them. But also got points to rig assist, trebles, feathers, whatever you want. And look at these for flatties. So they come in multicolour boxes. Oh, like you could use them for anything else, but yeah. A lot of attention to detail, this fella. Let's have a look at the little bird. Budgie! Jesus, it's like a Lego set, this thing. Man, the boxing's so nice, you half don't want to wreck it. Oh man, look at this thing, bro. That is unreal. What? Oh mate, this is sick. This is sick. These hooks, really good gauge hooks for Murray cod and your bigger fish. They will do some serious lip damage. Your hardware, it's all the right hardware that you want. You won't be changing any of that. They're engraved into the side. That looks, oh, man, engraved on the bib. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So that's, you got a paddler and a wake. So when using like a wake bait and stuff, you want a low toe point. So you'll probably go down to there with a split ring or a loop knot. And of course, go directly to the top when you got the paddler bib on. Now, this even comes with a little screwdriver. How cool is that? Oh, and spare screws. This is a living barrow. There we go. We got paddle budgie. Oh, what? I always hate these things. Now, look at that booty. Ugh. Oh. And we'll have a quick look at the lizard. Oh. Same again, interchangeable bib, but with the lizard, we'll be running him with the wake bait. Oh mate, just have a go. Like, you serious? So I was actually fishing with one of my mates the other day, and he got a few fish on these lures. On the galoodo. Oh, brass. So I had to go get him. Look at it. So we're going tomorrow. We're gonna go catch muzz, try and catch muzz on the BARAMBAH lures, budgie, maybe even throw the lizard as well. But the budgie's gonna be sick. Yeah, boys. Catches on the water. We're just taking the kayak, I don't know if you can see it. Drawing the rod with new line. I haven't fished for cod for like, it feels like ever. For a very long time, so I'm very, very excited. And hopefully it's gonna be a good morning. Over and out. See you in the morning. On the water. Yo! 2, 1, 2. Yo! What's going on, guys? Good morning. So we're back on the river. Well, this is actually my second session in the last few days. We come down with the old birdie wordy and raised a couple of good fish, but that was about it. But lost a bloody cracker. So that's this footage. Alrighty, good bloody morning. We're on the mission, she's on again, it's all after it. Oh jeez, there's a little bit of weed. That's alright. Come big birdie. Oh, it looks so sick. That's a good fish. Oh Jesus, that was a good fish. Oh my God. How is he missing? He is huge. This is not good. I'm fishing backwards as well. But I don't want to put my paddle in the water. You see that bastard? Ah. Oh, that was pretty sick. I don't know if you could see that. I was just sitting under it for ages. I don't know what to do in those positions. That was another good fish. We've raised 2 fish. One was exceptionally just a dinosaur. And that would have been in the 70s as well, that fella. So might be one of those days where we only get 1 or 2 fish, but there might be a decent bit of weight to them. Whew. Tell you what, I'm bloody anxious. Haven't fished for these fellas for ages. Just got to stay calm, and when one actually bites that lure, I just got to make sure I set those big hooks in. So yeah, now we're back on the river for round 2. Throwing the bird, just work it in, then probably spin a bait. And yeah, hopefully get connected to Muzz. It's been a while. I want to see my green mate. The mission, it's early. We're bush bashing and we're on again. Oh man, she's always a little bit eerie being on the water this time in the morning. But you got to pay to play. Really struggling to fish. Can't believe I had another just measly follow. And he looks 70 odd as well. I'll just keep grinding. I really need to connect to one just to get a bit of morale going. Oh, you gotta be fucking with me. Please have another group, please have another group, please have another group. Please, please, please. Oh mate, I tell you what, I'm starting to feel very, very defeated. I don't know, I think it's accumulation of not being able to fish for them for a while. I haven't got any under the belt. Doubting, you know. But what we're going to do, we're just going to keep grinding. We're 4.5 hours into this session. We had a measly follow on top water, and we had a chip and chase, I don't know, just cooked it. He had 2 cracks at it on the spinnerbait. So hopefully this bit of sun coming out might do us in the favour, get a bit of bling coming off those blades. And yeah, we'll just grind, see if we can just get a donut saver.
2 hours later.
Oh, alrighty, eh? Oh, showered, refreshed. Oh, it feels good, man. Back at Mission HQ and have a go. We done a little bit of tidying and it's looking pretty slick. Oh, deadlies! Well, it seems like I'm in a bit of a fishing rut for old Muzz. But that's alright. That happens, you know. They're fish at the end of the day. They're not always going to bloody eat. I'd like them to, but they're not always going to. But yeah, these lures, mate, bloody sick. Look, we didn't land one in this episode. Oh, far out. We didn't land one in this episode, but we're going to be smashing out them bad boys in the next coming videos, and we are going to catch a big muzzle. So keep your eyes peeled. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're enjoying all the bloody clips. Keep it real, keep it gangster, keep fishing, and keep donutting. Yeah, the boys. See you later.